Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I'll be talking about garden hose, how to repair it, how to do it where you save money and you don't have to buy a new garden hose. Let's get to it. Alright, my first attempt, I used Flex Sealed. It did not work. It worked about a day and then it started leaking. I'm going to go ahead and peel this so you can see where the hose busted. I left my water opened, my water valve opened, and it created a gap, or it busted the seal. So I had to use this tape, but then I found online that you can find an adapter to basically create a new valve right here. So using this bad boy I got from Home Depot, basically what you do is you just cut up the tube, put it in there, screw it in, and you should be good to go. And I'll show you how to do that process. Here you go. You can definitely see that it did burst right here. I tried to put Flex Seal to tape it up, but that's not going to work. So what I have to do is cut this up right here and just go ahead and install a new head for it. What I'm using, some scissors from Cobalt, got at Lowe's. I'm going to cut it up, clean it up, and then install the new head for the hose. Any of you guys wondering how much these scissors are, they're about $14.99 at Lowe's. Let's see how sharp they are. Wow, very sharp, super clean. They're called shop scissors. Not bad, and they have a lifetime warranty actually. Let's go ahead and unscrew these guys. Really cool, just an adapter. Use a scissor for this. Shop scissors, very neat. There we go. Let's go ahead and slide this in. Have to use some force. Ooh, these are tight actually. Ah. Gotta use my muscle here. These are some strong hose. That's what she said, right? Alright, let's go ahead and put this adapter on. There we go. Here we go. And the screws. 1, 2. I'll use this Milwaukee drill bit. You want to do it a little bit of time on each side. So it clamps even. I know it's hard to see, I apologize. Alright, one side is done, you want to do the other side. I'm going to power this up a little bit to tighten it. Boom. Boom, done. New hose. We're going to test it, see if it leaks or not. Give me a minute. There we go, moment of truth. Snap this guy on. Oh, I gotta turn on the water. Alright, check it out. Woo! Look at that. No water leaks at all. Man, this is nice. For less than $10 or around $10 at Home Depot or Lowe's, man, this is amazing. Definitely rather pay this than a whole new hose, garden hose, for $50. So keep saving, people.